Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you decided to come by and see what I'm doing. Still practicing and using wood to make, beautiful backgrounds for other things. They're beautiful cutout wood. Shapes of houses, small and large. This one's a 7 inch. Oh, it's either 8 inch and 5 inch, something like that. Okay, but it's one of the middle sizes. They came in a pack. Wood, and I'm trying to think of. It's Beth is her name, and she's the one who do the ordering, and she cuts and sends you beautiful wood. Anyway, when I can remember, because it's been a long time since I bought wood, uh, her YouTube channel. I'm going to try to make sure to find it and put it in the description box now that I'm talking about it. It's terrible. Sorry, Beth. She goes live a lot of times on Facebook. Oh, what is her name? That's going to bug me now. What's her name? Oh, I don't know. Alright, I'm just, fussing around here with the sides. This is a repour because I didn't like the last one and the color. So, gonna do it again. I don't quit. I don't give up. Gonna make something pretty. Okay, make sure y'all are in view. Now the paints are all done. I've done like 4 of them, so, and recorded, and I'll decide which one to send you. But you can, of course you're going to see this one. Thinking of colors actually, and yeah, what color? I'm in love with this copper gold by Arteza. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Just one trace and gone. That's about the consistency. And I make sure that all my paints are the same consistency. If I want them a little thicker, then they all have to be a little thicker. I know. You guys probably already know that. Alright, well, let's lay this down. And let's hope for a better result because... And plus, it didn't match the little... there's another little house that I did, and it didn't, I want them to all match. And this one stuck out like a sore thumb. Okay, I think I got a good base on there now. And a little bit of turquoise. Well, I started to pour it like a pour. You okay, Belle? What you doing? You making a bed? She's kicking around on the couch with the pillows everywhere. My pet peeve. I like my pillows straight. Hey, stop, big girl. Okay, let's see another color. I want to come in with some gold. And all these are by Arteza. I hope I made that clear. I'm not sure. And the pouring recipe is different. This is totally different recipe. It's let's see, is it? Oh, I don't know. It's Kathleen Miller is the name and her channel. I forgot what the recipe is because I have these great bottles and the lid goes on and they'll last for like, gosh, I don't know how long. But since I paint a lot, that's not really a problem because I run out. All right. Not thinking here. I gotta think. What is the colors I'm wanting? I just wanted, I guess, more of a barn feel. Old. We're gonna be using a black accelerator, so. Oh yeah, I wanted to come in with a little of this. Oh, I keep wanting to pour it. Yes. That's such a pretty color. Pretty, 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 pretty. And I think we'll come in with our blue again. Oh, purple. A little bit on the top, yeah. It's a very light purple, and I've been so busy mixing. This recipe does take a lot of work to do. I like my way better, but I'm giving this a shot. You know, I got to use the paint up now. I done made the paint, so we're gonna just go with it. And this is putting in the CA, cell activator. It actually says Mars Black, but to me, it almost looks like a Payne's Gray from, I don't know. Okay, good. We've got a nice little halo going. Let me get the littlest hairdryer in the world, which I think is so cool. And, you know, you learn to use it. Yeah, there's one speed, like you can hit it and it'll just keep going, but you can go slower. And kind of get a feel for what you're doing, maybe. I'm learning to use it. Sure does better than my blow dryer and attachments. See how it'll go on and on. Oopsie. Oh, this one's looking pretty. Oops. Got my cord in there. Don't want to do that. I wanted to get a little closer to the edge. Ooh, that's pretty. I guess I shouldn't mind the you know, and the white. I love it. My God. I mean, talk about great. I have to say, I'd work for this company. This is the greatest thing. You know, the ladybug that everybody has that cleans their area. A lot of more crafters, unicorn dust design. Anyway, I've seen her. Everybody knows, I think, about the ladybug, but everybody needs to know about this if they like to do blooms that turn out like that. Yeah, great recipe, Kathleen Miller. I'm loving it. Now, that's just so pretty. I don't want to mess with it or blow on it or anything. It's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Now I'm just putting my little blow dryer away. Little. Not this big old cord and everything. See, I could work for the company. I'd sell that thing. Now, I really, really do recommend it. It's unbelievable. I mean, you saw what just happened. It's, you know, not as pretty probably. I know that you can stick things in and make little loop-de-loops and stuff. I'm trying to see. I thought I had one. It's being used as a bird mold right now. So, I guess that means I really don't have one to swirl around with. What else could I use? Let's see. Well, I guess something like this maybe. Make sure there's no hair on it, like it had. What in the world? Oh, I don't want to mess it Let's see. No, it definitely didn't do a good job there. Trying to fill it in. See, I went too deep. Oh, I don't want to mess with it. I'm not into the swirlies. I don't get the point. Unless I could just pull a little bit of color through here. Right now. Just as long as it gets up to that tip. That's what I want. Okay. This will be fine, and it'll keep rolling. It's rolling off the side, probably over there. Yes. Isn't that a gorgeous color, though? This is this color right here. And it's... oh, I have to give it a thunk on what color it is, okay? Anyway, I'll let you know. But it's really nice, I think. Okay, taking a breath. Really, I can't believe it went so fast. So, let me get it up there. Nice and close. Make sure there's no shadows. Let's see. Maybe it is better this way. I hope it's focusing. I have no idea. This is called the quick flyover. Okay, loves. I've enjoyed it. Really happy with the success. Ready to do another one. It is 1 a.m. in the morning, but I'm enjoying myself. All right, you know the routine. If you're not a subscriber, I sure hope you become one. And for the new ones, welcome. I'm so thrilled. I really, talk about thrilled. Definitely thrilled. That just looked like it needed a little help. So we're going to slip some gold in there. There we go. That looks better. We can let that ride. But that was bugging me. See, this now, you know, I'll be picking at it most likely before I get it under the tent. But I think it's done. Have a good day. And till the next one.